Exploring the phrase, the sound of love. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase in English, the sound of love. This phrase is not just about words. It's about the emotions and experiences they represent. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the feelings it conveys. The sound of love is a metaphorical expression. It's not literally about a sound you can hear, but rather about what love feels like or represents. It's used to describe situations, moments, or feelings that are deeply associated with love. This phrase is often used in poetry, music, and literature to evoke a sense of romance and affection. Let's look at some examples. In a movie, a couple may be shown walking on a beach at sunset. The gentle sound of waves and soft music in the background can be described as the sound of love. In a novel, a character might say, "The sound of her laughter is the sound of love to me," expressing that the happiness of their loved one is deeply connected to their feeling of love. These examples show how diverse contexts can shape the meaning of the phrase. The sound of love often carries a cultural and emotional weight. Different cultures might have various interpretations based on their own perceptions of love. In some cultures, it might be connected to natural sounds, like birds singing, while in others, it might be linked to musical or human-made sounds. And that's our journey through the sound of love. This phrase beautifully captures the essence of love in a way that transcends literal meanings. I hope this video helps you appreciate the depth and beauty of English expressions. Keep exploring, and let the sound of language fill your heart with joy.